Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a mind-blowing topic for you. The impact of acetaminophen on risk-taking behavior. That's right, the common pain reliever you probably have in your medicine cabinet might be affecting your decisions. Before we dive into it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. Now let's get started. In a series of fascinating studies, researchers investigated whether consuming acetaminophen, also known as paracetamol, affects our perception of risk and our tendency to engage in risky behavior. You might be thinking, how can a painkiller possibly influence my decisions? Well, stick around, and we'll reveal the surprising findings. First, let's look at Study 1. Participants were given either acetaminophen or a placebo and completed the balloon analog risk task. The results showed that participants who took acetaminophen took significantly more risks than those who took the placebo. Second study aimed to replicate the findings of first study and investigate if acetaminophen reduces negative affect, which is our emotional response to risky situations. Participants were given either acetaminophen or a placebo and completed the Columbia Card task and a risk and benefit perceptions questionnaire. The results confirmed that acetaminophen increased risk-taking, and it also reduced negative affect in response to risky choices. This partially explained why acetaminophen increases risk-taking behavior. So, how does acetaminophen impact our decision-making process? Researchers believe that it's related to the affect heuristic, a cognitive shortcut that involves making judgments based on our emotional response to information. Acetaminophen seems to reduce negative affect and increase reliance on the affect heuristic, thus enhancing risk-taking behavior. Now, these findings have significant implications for the millions of people who consume acetaminophen each week. Imagine patients in the hospital, drivers on the road, or even someone making a financial decision, all possibly influenced by this common pain reliever. It's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand the effects of acetaminophen on risk-taking behavior and decision-making. However, these initial findings are a wake-up call to be more aware of the potential psychological effects of the medications we take. So, what do you think about these surprising findings? Have you ever felt like you made a risky decision after taking acetaminophen? Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.